Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Okay, what we are discussing? We are discussing about the 8th class first chapter. What is that? Rational number. In that we are completing the exercise 1.2. We are discussing exercise 1.3 ma. Okay. In that also we are completing up to what ma? Up to the up to the sixth one we are completing nama. Today we are discussing about the seventh one. Okay, exercise 1.3. In that we are completing up to sixth problem. Today we are discussing the seventh one problem. Okay, what is that? The cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is 12 3/4 rupees. Okay, what is the statement? The 7 into 2/3 meter cloth, it is how much rupees? 12 rupees 3/4. 12 into 3/4 rupees. Okay, 7 meter 2/3, 7 into 2/3 meter cloth, how much rupees? 12 into 3/4 rupees. Okay, find the cost per meter. Okay, it given the that much cloth is there, it in this rupees. Okay, what will be the 1 meter cloth? What we have to find the value of 1 meter cloth? We have to find the rupees of 1 meter cloth. How can we find? By this number we have to divide this number we have to divide with this number. Okay, the rupees we have to divide with meter of cloth. Can you understand? Whatever rupees is there, we have to multiply with whatever meters of cloth is there. When we divide these two number, we get the value of 1 meter cloth. Okay, 1 meter of cloth we can get. Okay, let's see. This is your answer. What is the given that? Whatever given in the question, you have to write in the answer after adding the given that. The cost of 7 into 2/3 meter of cloth, how many rupees? 12 3/4 rupees. 12 into 3/4 rupees. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Okay, we have to find the 1 meter. How much rupees is for 1 meter cloth? Okay, how can we find the value? The whatever rupees is there, we have to, that rupees we have to divide with the cloth. Okay, I am writing here. First we are taking the rupees in that divided by cloth. What is, how much cloth is there? 7 into 2/3. Okay, up to that clear ma? To finding the 1 meter of cloth, we are dividing the rupees with meter cloth. Okay, or how much meter is there, we are dividing with that much meters. Okay, thus these two number we have to divide to get the 1 meter of cloth, to get the rupees of 1 meter of cloth. Okay, we have to find the rupees of 1 meter of cloth. Up to that clear? Okay, this step is clear nama. Let's do the next step. What we have to do? We have to divide these two number. But observe this, it is also mixed fraction. It is also mixed fraction. We cannot find anything with the mixed fraction. First we have to convert into the unlike fraction. Okay, these two numbers are mixed fraction. We have to convert these two fraction in a unlike fraction. Up to that clear? Okay, how can we convert the mixed fraction? Listen carefully. 4 12s, how much ma? 48. That 48 we have to add here. Okay, thus answer we have to add here, means that 48 plus 3 means 51. 48 plus 3 is 51, means that 51/4. Okay, 51/4. Up to that clear ma? I am explaining again. What we are converting this fraction up to the unlike fraction. It is a mixed fraction na? Okay, 4 12s is 48. Okay, 48 plus 3 48, 49, 50, 51 means 51/4, means denominator we have to write as it is now. Okay, 51/4. Come to this fraction, denominator fraction, mixed fraction. 3 7s, how much? 3 7s are 21. With that 21 we have to add the numerator. 21 7 2s are 21 plus 2 23. 23/3. Up to that clear? Just we have to convert the mixed fraction into the unlike fraction. Okay, 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. We are converting the mixed fraction up to the unlike fraction. We get the answer. Okay, first we have to multiply that answer, we have to add the numerator. First we have to multiply that answer, we have to add the numerator. This is a process now to convert. Okay, we have to find this value nama 51 by 4. This denominator we want to get in the numerator. What will happen? It become the reverse. Okay, 23 by 3 is the nama. When we get in numerator, what will happen? 3 by 23. It become reverse. Okay, 3 by 23. Okay, just we have to apply the numerators and denominator. Multiply. 51 3 is a 153. 51 3 is a 153 divided by 92. Up to that clear? Just I multiply the numerators and denominators. This is our answer. Now we can stop the answer up to that. But can you see that our rupees, it is in the form of mixed fraction. We get it as a only fraction. How can this convert this value as a mixed fraction? By doing the division. Okay, 92 here, denominator we have to write the divisor and divide them, and the numerator we have to write the divisor. Okay, 92 ones are 92. Okay, we are minus. By doing the minus, what we get? 91. This number we have to write the mixed fraction. That's why we are playing the division rule. That one we have to write here. 61 divided by 92. 61 divided by 92 means that the 1 rupees 61 divided by 2. 1 into 61 divided by 2. This is the rupees of one cloth. This is also right. This is also answer right, ma'am. This one answer right. If you want to write the decimal, this number, if you want to write the decimal, the answer will be 1.66. Okay, means that 1 rupee 66 point. Okay, means approximate 1 mark. Okay, the value should be 1 rupee, approximate 1 rupees. Okay, up to that clear? What we are discussing? The cloth of 1 rupees. Okay, the cost of 1 meter of cloth. What we have to find? We have to find the cost of 1 meter cloth. How much we get? 1 rupee. 1.66 means that approximate 1 rupees. Okay, up to that clear? This answer is completed. This is a process to play after finding the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Up to that clear? We are finding the 7th one now. Come to the 8th one. What is that? Find the area of rectangular park, which is 18 into 3 by 5 meter long and 88 into 3 by meter of breadth. Broad matlab breadth ma. Okay, long means length, broad means breadth. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the area of rectangle. What is given ma? Length and breadth is given. We have to find the area of the rectangle. What is the area of rectangle ma? The area of rectangle is nothing but the length into breadth, means that we have to multiply the length and breadth to find the area of rectangle. Okay, let's see. Given that length of park, how much given length of the park is 18 into 3 by 5 meter is given in the question. Okay, it is a mixed fraction or not It is a mixed fraction. We cannot find any number with the mixed fraction. Just we have to convert into the unlike fraction. Okay, how can we convert? First we have to multiply these two numbers. After getting the value, that value we have to add the numerator. Okay, can you understand my point? How can we convert the mixed fraction into unlike fraction? First we have to add these two numbers. Okay, we have to add these two numbers. After getting the value, we have to add the numerator. Let's see. 5 18s. How much 5 18s? 90. 90 plus 3 is 93. 93 divided by 5. Okay, I am writing again. 93 divided by 5 meter. This value should be written as 93 divided by 5. Up to that clear? Just I am converting the mixed to unlike. Up to that clear? What is the breadth? The breadth of park is given 18 into 2 by 3. 18 into 2 by 3 is given. 8 into 2 by 3 is given. What is given? Breadth. Okay, here I am writing the rectangular park. Length is given, breadth is given. Okay. Up to that, it is a mixed fraction. Here also we have to change mixed to unlike. Okay, what we have to do? 3 8s are 24. That answer we have to add the numerator. 24 plus 2 is 26 by 3. Up to that clear? Okay, what we have to find? We have to just give whatever given the number, we are converting it to the unlike. Okay, afterwards what we have to find? We have to find the area of the rectangular park means what is area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth means L into B. What is L ma? What is length? Length is 93 by 5. After converting we get the 93 by 5. I am writing here. Into is as it is. What is breadth na? Breadth is given. We are converting the up to that. That's why we are taking this value ma. Okay. Converting value we are taking. Okay. 26 by 3 breadth. Okay. 9 ones 3 ones are 3 ma. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 3 ones are 3. Up to date clear? Okay, after converting what we get? 31 into 26. 31 into 26 divided by 5. Okay, 31 into 26 divided by 5. After multiplying these two numbers, what we get? 8 not 6 divided by 5. Okay, this value can be written as the mixed fraction this form. How ma? By doing the division. Okay, 8 5 8 not 6. First I am taking the 8. 5 ones are 5. After subtracting what we get? 3 and bring down 0. What it become? 30 means 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. After we have to bring down the 6. Okay, 6 is not divisible. We are taking the smaller than 6 means the 5 ones are 5. Okay, 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, this number can be written as 161. 161 into denominator by divisor mean 1 by 5. 1 by 5. This is the value. Okay ma. Okay, length is given, breadth is given. We are finding the value of area of the rectangle. What is we get ma? 16. 161 ones 161 into 5 by 5 1 by 5 meter. 161 into 1 by 5 meter. Meter is there ma? No. Meter square. The unit of area is meter square. How? The length into breadth na ma? Length into breadth means meter into meter. The length is meter, breadth is meter means breadth meter square. The unit is meter square ma. No need to write in the answer. Just you write up to that. Okay, the meters, the area of rectangle units is meter square. The value of we get is 161 into 1 by 5. This is the area of rectangle. Okay ma. Hope you understand the two problems. I am explaining the 7th one, 8th one ma. 9th one is your homework. Try this 9th one problem and submit in the group ma. Okay, till 9th one you have to complete and submit in the group. Okay, today's class is completed. Thank you.